Welcome to my maths class. In this class, we'll solve sums from NCERT textbook, class 9, chapter 4, exploring algebraic identities, exercise set 4.4, question 3, the first to fifth sums. So here the sum says factor the following. So we have to factorize the given algebraic expressions. So here in this to factorize this we are going to use a plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. That one we are going to use here. So we can write it as, we can write this expression as 9a square we can write as 3a whole square. 3a whole square plus b square plus 2c whole square. Now plus 2ab, this is a and this is b, so 2 into a is 3a, b is b only. So 2ab, a into b, 2 into a into b plus 2bc, 2 into b into 2c plus 2ca, c is 2c into 3a. Now you can see here, suppose I solve it, what I will get? I will get 6ab, but here there is minus 6ab. Okay. Now if I solve this one, I will get 4bc. Here there is minus 4bc. Among these two terms, which one is common? 3a, b is common. Okay. In these two terms, b is common. So we have to make b as minus. So suppose I make it minus here. Minus. So I have to make this also minus b whole square. Now minus b into minus b is b square. So here I'll get 6 minus 6ab. Here I'll get minus 4bc. Okay. So now it is okay now. So I can write now. So here it's in the form of a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So I can write a plus b plus c whole square. So 3a plus minus b plus 2c whole square. This again I can write as 3a minus b plus 2c whole square. So it has been factorized. We'll go to the second sum. Second sum is 16s square plus 25t square minus 40st. So I can write 16s square as 4s whole square, and this 25t square as 5t whole square. 5t whole square. So a square and b square are come here, minus 2ab. So here in this we are going to use a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So minus 2 into, what is a? A is 4s. 4s into b. What is b? B is 5t. You can see here now 4s whole square is 16s square. 5t whole square is 25t square. You can see here 2 into 4 into 5. If I solve it, I'll get minus 40st. So a square minus 2ab plus b square. I can write as a plus a minus b whole square. 4s is a minus 5t is b whole square. Third sum. The third sum is r square minus r minus 42. So this we have to factorize by splitting the middle term. So here, first step, what you should do, multiply the first term and the last term. What we get? We get minus 42 r square. I'll write it here, minus 42 r square. Now we have to find out the factors of 42. So 1 into 42, 1 42s are 42. 2 21s are 42. 3 14s are 42. 6 7s are 42. Here we have got some pairs of factors here. I have to find out which pair can give me minus 1. I want 1 here now. So from this pair I can get 1. So here I want minus 1 because the middle term is minus 1. So what signs I go to give so that I'll get minus 1? So for the, this is here I have to get minus, so I'll give minus for the bigger number. So now plus 6 minus 7 I got minus 1. Now again I should check whether when I multiply these two numbers I should get minus 42. Am I getting? Yes, plus 6 into minus 7 is minus 42. So this is okay for us to split the middle term. So this is equal to r square plus 6r minus 7r minus 42. Here we have split this term into two parts, 6r minus 7r. Now among the first two terms r is common, so take r outside, common factor r. So r into r is r square plus 6. R into 6 is 6r. Leave a gap here and write once again same thing, r plus 6 Now I have to fill the gap so that when I multiply these two, I shall get minus 7r. I will fill it with minus 7. So minus 7 into r is minus 7r. Minus 7 into plus 6 is minus 42. Now again there are two terms here, r into r plus 6 minus 7 into r plus 6. So r plus 6 is the common factor. Take the common factor outside. So r plus 6, the common factor came out. Now the what is left here, r minus 7. So they are the factors. R plus 6 and r minus 7 are the factors of r square minus r minus 42. Now we will move to the next sum, the fourth one. The fourth sum is 49 g square. 49 g square plus 14 gh plus h square. I can write this as 7g whole square, 7g whole square plus h square. This is a square and this is b square. I would write here plus 2ab plus 2 into a is 7g into b is h. You can see here now a square plus 2ab. If I solve this, what I'll get, 2 into 7, I'll get 14gh. So a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we can write a plus b whole square. 7g plus h whole square. So this is factorized. We'll go to the next sum, fifth one. Fifth sum is 64u square. 64u square plus 121 v square plus 4w square minus 176 uv minus 32 uw plus 4 vw. Now we need to factorize it. So here I can write this as 8u whole square. 8u whole square this as 11v whole square two w whole square plus, so a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab. So plus 2, what is a? 8u. B is what? 111v. 2ab plus 2bc plus 2bc. 2 into b is what? 11b. 2w plus 2ca C is 2W, then 8U. Now watch carefully here. 8U whole square is 64U square, 11V whole square is 121V square, 2W whole square is 4W square. Now you can see here if I solve, I am getting plus 176 UV, but here it is minus 176 UV. When I solve this one, I will get sorry, here I have copied the sum wrongly. This last term is 44 VW. This is 44 VW. So here we can see here, if I solve this, I am getting plus 176 UV. Okay, but here it is minus 176 UV. So next, if I solve this, I am getting 44 VW. That's okay. And again here, I am getting plus 32 UW. But here it is minus 32 UW. So among these two terms, what is common? U is common. U. So we have to make 8U as minus. If I put minus here, I will get minus 176 UV. Again here minus, I will get minus 32 UW. So I should make this as minus. So now A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. So I can write A plus B plus C whole square. So minus 8U plus 11V plus 2W whole square. So this is factorized there. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.